The square root of 5 minus x is equal to 4 is a radical equation. To solve a radical equation, we have to get rid of the square root. So we have to do the opposite of square rooting, which is the square. So we're going to square both sides of the equation. And the square root and the square are going to cancel each other out. So you end up with 5 minus x is equal to 4 squared, which is 16. And then we're going to subtract 5 to isolate the variable on the left. So we end up with negative x is equal to 11. And then to solve negative x is equal to 11, we divide both sides by negative 1. Because there's a coefficient of negative 1. So negative 1 divided by negative 1 gives us positive 1x is equal to negative 11. But for radical equations, you want to make sure that you check your answer. So you take the original equation and you're going to plug in the answer that you found. So this is 5 minus negative 11 and the square root. 5 minus negative 11 gives you 5 plus 11 in the square root. And 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. And the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So it did work out. So negative 11 is the correct answer.